The 2025 Hummer Apex X camper is made for people who need their camper to be both incredibly comfortable and full of adventure, thanks to its blend of powerful power and stylish living. Built on the legendary Hummer platform, this massive RV is a mobile palace of luxury, perfect for both off-grid adventurers and luxury nomads. Exterior design: the Hummer Apex X, with its aggressive appearance, high-clearance suspension, matte black armored body panels, and trademark Hummer LED lighting, is built on an ultra-wide reinforced carbon steel chassis. With its massive all-terrain tires, integrated off-road recovery system, utility storage installed on the side, and a solar array on the roof, this vehicle is nearly 40 feet long. Though finished with luxury-level accuracy, the design was influenced by military aesthetics. Interior aspects: the family space. As soon as you enter the cabin, you will be greeted by an opulent lounge with high-end leather accents and ballistic nylon upholstery. An ultra-slim 70-inch OLED TV that folds down from the ceiling can be used in conjunction with a Bose Atmos surround system. Apart from climatic zones and self-tinting smart glass windows, modular seating can also be utilized as hidden storage containers and loungers. Bedroom. The suite in the back of the home has a queen-size memory foam bed with an underbed safe and a sturdy leather headboard. Blackout shades, backlit panels, and integrated reading lamps combine to provide a peaceful retreat setting. A personal control hub with a 27-inch touchscreen controls the entertainment, lighting, blinds, and climate. The bathroom was created with a spa-like concept in mind, with a composting smart toilet, a complete rainfall shower with LED-lit slate walls, and a distinctive ceramic vanity with backlit mirrors. It is not only luxurious but also low maintenance due to its self-cleaning system, hot towel racks, and non-slip flooring. Areas for cooking and eating. The kitchen has a built-in refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven, a dual-burner induction cooktop, and a filtered water dispenser. It is intended to be both aesthetically beautiful and useful. The fold-out dining area offers cozy seating for 4 people and is surrounded by panoramic windows. The connection between performance and technology. Range extender generator that allows a hybrid car to travel over 600 miles. Intelligent home control system with an integrated Hummer command console. Off-road autonomous driving with LiDAR mapping and terrain scanning. Advanced satellite internet that is compatible with Starlink. Drivetrain powered by an electric all-wheel drive system that uses dual motor torque vectoring. More than just a high-end recreational vehicle, the 2025 Hummer Apex X Motorhome is a powerful vehicle that can live and travel anywhere. It gives you the strength and luxury you need to live an adventurous and exploratory life. Whether you are driving across deserts, climbing mountains, or parking at the end of the world,